when you take a look at my screen right here, you can actually see that this user has made a total of £1,006.81 and completed a survey of 1,949 surveys. Now, I'm going to be showing you a process of which you can also set up your account on this particular survey and also leverage properly on it. So you can also get assured way of you leveraging properly on this platform without being restricted or getting disqualification rights on this platform. So I'm going to be taking you through the registration process, what you need to know, and everything you need to know to succeed right on this platform. Now, but before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online to earn for ourselves and also make reviews of platforms online. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now, with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial of today. So right here, when you come over to this interface, you're going to be seeing save money, earn real cash with paid online surveys. Share your opinion and get rewarded. Now, most of you will ask, what is surveys? For some of us that are coming new to surveys. Now, survey is a place where you come in and give your honest opinion. So there are companies that are willing to pay you for your time and the response you give. That is a simple definition of survey. Okay, so once you come in and give your honest opinion, just like question and answers, you're going to be rewarded for the time you have spent and your quality response. The reason why I said quality response is because your response should be quality, because you're not giving anyhow response to these people. Okay, so you need to answer as a human, not like an AI or a bot. So when they ask you to click red, you click red, not green. So these are the quality questions, quality answers you're giving back to this company. So survey is actually a group of companies that have set questions for you to answer, so you can be rewarded for your time and answers. So right here you can see share your opinion and get rewarded. Payout from $1, thousands of surveys daily, less disqualification, 10 minutes till payout delivering. So this is what I'm going to be showing you, the less disqualification rights on this platform. So right here you can see log in or sign up. So you are going to be coming right here to continue with this process. Okay, so it's a very user friendly interface right here. So right here on the screen you can see the movement of the payout options right here, which is Venmo, PayPal, Walmart, and the likes of it, Uber Eats and the likes of it right here. You can see Spotify. So how it works is that you make money from home by taking online surveys. I just explained what survey is all about. This particular survey is called HeyPiggy. You withdraw cash or gift cards and receive them instantly. Now you can come right here to set up an account for yourself. So this is where you are going to be starting from. Once you set up an account for yourself, you come right here, you take your surveys as little as 1.89 USDT. You can see that for yourself, and in 11 minutes you are going to be getting reward for that survey, and you get paid. And these are the ways you can cash out through PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and the likes of it. So you can go through all this and see it for yourself. So you can see that this is PayPal and this is trusted by so many users. So now to set up an account for yourself, come right here and click on sign up now. Okay, so once you click on that, you'll be brought over to this interface where it says log in or sign up. Okay, so you're going to be putting in your email address you want to use for the creation of this account. Okay, so I'm going to put this right here and I'm going to hit the continue button. So come right here and input your password. So I'm going to input my password right here, and make sure it's a password you can always remember. Okay, so once you insert that right here, you're going to come right here and check this box by signing up. I agree to the terms of service. So click on continue. Okay, so once you click on that, your account will be created. So right here they said all okay is correct. If you get no redirection, click here. So go ahead to click here right now and you will be redirected to the account you just created. Okay, so you be redirected right here. As you can see, this is how your interface is going to look like once you are done with your creation. Now, this is what you're going to be doing. Once you have gotten to this interface, don't log out of your account. Don't actually log out. You can see right here that your account is actually a new account and you have a 3-minute survey that is going to give you £0.23. So go ahead to take this particular survey before other surveys can be unlocked on your account. Now, to do this, just click on this and you'll be redirected to the survey. So you will be given time to take this survey. So make sure you take this survey very serious because this is actually your first survey. Now, the first question says, are you currently living in the United Kingdom? And we said, yes, I am. So we selected that. So right here, it said, we collect some data to make your survey experience better. Your information is always anonymous, ready to start the survey. So that is what I'm actually saying. This is actually a pre-screener questions which you have to take very serious. These are the particular survey questions that unlocks more surveys to your account. So I'm going to click I agree. Let's start the survey. So I'm going to submit this. So right here, they want you to insert the year you have on your demograph, which is your year of birth. So I'm going to come right here and I'm also going to be working with this particular demograph throughout this particular account. So I'm going to come right here and insert a zip code right here. This one actually has, so I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to put this right here. So let me work with this. Okay. So I'm going to click on submit. So I'm going to select man. Your gender is actually what they're asking right here. So what is your annual gross household income? So always go for 100 and above. This is GBP. So which language do you speak and understand? So it's English. Okay. So I come right here and I select my micro region. Okay, so make sure you are attending to this very, very well. This is your first question and you need to attend to it very, very well. Please indicate the age, gender of your child or children. So I'm actually picking this every time I have questions like this. Where is the male? I have a male child, 7 years. So, okay, yeah, this is it. Okay, so higher managerial skill. So this is the process I want you to also follow. So right here, they said approximately how many employees work at your organization. Always go for maybe 500 to 1,000 as the case may be. So these questions we are actually answering, make sure you are used to it. So you might be asked some other time. So you can also answer the same thing. Okay, what are your household investable assets? Okay, so once you follow this process, getting your account, you'll be having good running account for yourself. Please choose the option that best describes your household. Okay, I have one or more children under the age of 18. Alright, so if you have been watching my video, you will know that these are always the answers we are picking to questions like this. So these are your hobbies. So come right here and select anyone. Okay, so what are the hobbies you are interested in? So you can come right here and pick more than one or any one. So that does not really matter. Are you employed? Yes, full time. The company I work for employs approximately, so let's go with 1,000. Okay. Higher managerial, full time. So you can see that most times these are repeated questions which you can answer to with approximately how many employees work at your. So you can see that it's just like they are repeating the question. So you just have to follow the process and end the survey. What kind of gambling do you participate? You can just go for online. Okay. So they are just go for this. Accounting. Which of the following categories best describes your organization primary industries? Okay. So you just earned yourself £0.21. Okay, survey completed. So now your account is ready. Do you like HeyPiggy so far? Yes. So you can rate HeyPiggy so, or you can just leave that like that. So you can go ahead to rate them, or you can just go back to your account. So now your account is active and it's running. So right here you can see there are tons of surveys that you can go ahead to keep doing on your account. Once you're done with this particular survey, more will be coming to your account. So that is how HeyPiggy works. It's actually user friendly. You can have access to it anytime. Once you attend to all these particular surveys, more will be coming to your account. Now, when you come right here, the cash out method, which is actually PayPal and gift card, you can actually see that the minimum right here is actually from £5 down to £50, as the case may be. So these are gift cards. So once you click on PayPal right here, you're going to be seeing that you can withdraw from £5, £10, £15, £20, and the likes of it. Okay, so once you have this, that is how you can actually start making your withdrawals. Now, when you come over to gift cards right here, there are tons of gift cards you can actually use, like Amazon and the likes of it right here. So once you've gotten to the withdrawal threshold, you can withdraw. Now, also when you come over to your account right here, you can actually quickly set the payment method for your withdrawal. So when you come over to profile setting right here, you can insert the emails you want to be using for your withdrawal. So make sure everything is intact. So once you are taking your surveys, you will not have issues of cashing out on your account. So HeyPiggy is actually user friendly, which anyone can start today and also get rewards from. Now, when you come right here, you can see there is one bonus active for today. So these are also reviews about a app right here. So you can go ahead to keep taking your surveys and answering these questions. Most of them don't really take time. You can see that this one actually has been rated 5-star and has 4 minutes right here. This one has been rated 4 stars and is just 2 minutes. So the minutes right on HeyPiggy does not take long, and you'll be given rewards for it. Okay, so let's say we want to take this 4 minutes right here. So these are simple surveys you can actually take, and you're going to be getting rewards for yourself. What is your favorite game? And just come right here and put in anything you want to put right here. You can see where it says your answer. So that is where you are going to be inputting your answers for this. So you can just come right here and say soccer. It is not necessarily, because this is actually your opinion. Okay, so click on start survey. This is just going to be taking 4 minutes. Most times it does not reach up to that 4 minutes. So you just have to follow the process and you'll be taking the surveys. In less than that time, you are going to be rewarded for your time. So it is something that anyone can have access to. The fact you're following the process they are bringing up for you, just make sure you're following every details on your account so you don't get issues on your account. Not that you're skipping anything or you're jumping any parts on your account. So once you actually take your account serious, you're going to be seeing the results on your account. So on this interface, you're being asked moment is most associated with time. Okay, so these are little startup questions you get. Okay, documentary is mostly associated with film, smell. So this is it. So these are just simple stuff. Dog is most associated with animal. So these are just like a pre-screener questions where you take before you enter the main survey. Believe is most associated with truth. Okay, do you know what the word clothing means? Yes. Okay, from the menu, no. So now you'll be redirected to the main survey, okay, which is not going to be taking nothing less than 4 minutes or so. So once you're done with that, you are going to be given the rewards that are attached to each survey. So the moment you spend on your account, the moment you spend on a particular survey, you are going to be rewarded for it. That's why I love taking surveys. So click on start take survey right here, and you're going to be redirected right here. So click on next. So it's actually loading. So please select the region. So right here, you're going to be selecting your region. Just tap on the screen with the map of the United Kingdom. So this is mail. So the more you're taking this survey, the more you're seeing that this particular this particular icon will be moving. Okay, so the survey is not going to be taking long, and you're going to be rewarded for your time. Okay, so we are going to be clicking one answer right here. So these are the questions that you are being asked, and you are going to be given the rewards for this. Okay, so sometimes you get things like this. You can see survey not a match. We are sorry, but our partner ended the survey early. This can have many different reasons that have nothing to do with you. So most times when you make your account, when you create your account, don't be too sad that you get disqualification. Okay, so once you get disqualification, there are 2 or 3 reasons. One may be because of the partner that are involved in this survey. Two might be because your account is too new and they are trying to understand that they are working with human. So make sure you keep on taking surveys to build your account. So close this. You can go ahead to take other surveys right here. Now you've actually taken some surveys right here. You can keep on taking more. As you can see right here that we already have 0.22 pounds on our account. So keep on taking your surveys and you're going to be seeing the rewards attached to it. So that is how you can set up an account on HeyPiggy and also avoid disqualification on HeyPiggy. Okay, the disqualification means that you need to make your account very solid, that is taking surveys frequently and giving out quality response. Quality response is what is needed in survey to avoid disqualification. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got the value from this video. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platform, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I share more specific ways you can use to leverage online in today's world. You can find the links on the pinned comment section so you can be part of this wonderful family. So see you on my next video, and